all set up. So welcome to my second annual, but the third annual Girlies Go Camping weekend. We have quite literally a compound of tents. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 7 of us in 5 tents.
We're not efficient, and that's okay. We're here for a good time. Everyone's comfortable. Everyone's got all their mattresses.
And we have our own bedrooms.
I've got a doormat. We're done. We
have candles going and flowers. Riley made sauteed veggies, potatoes, burgers, hot dogs. Amazing. Outdid herself. Good night. Good morning. I slept so well because I brought my earplugs. I think it even rained last night. Well, I know I did because I see raindrops. And I didn't even know. Slept right through it. Ooh. Thank you. Okay guys, the activity of the day is hiking and then maybe swimming after. Well, we are gonna hike to an alpine lake, but there's also a really cool swimming hole kind of near where we are, and I would love to pay a visit after we hike. Just because I am camping does not mean we are giving up on the morning routine, although I can't see it. I maybe need you as a mirror. A little skincare, all the hydrating goodies, and of course, sunscreen. Can't forget that out here. Some on the shoulders for good measure. Okay, we're going with a little yellow pink combo today. Kind of a sleigh and yellow socks, how cute. Put my hair in a little bun. Okay, fun. We just made all the girls do aura farming. I really hope you know what that is. Maybe you're not as addicted to TikTok as I am, but now they're making their voyage home off the log.
This actually works really well.
Oh my gosh. You could totally stand up. It's pretty, I think it's a lot easier to stand up. Abby scooting. You could totally run.
Oh, I know.
Hell yeah.
Made it.
Okay, now we're gonna go hiking. Wildflowers are so pretty right now. Hi, birdie. Also, the perfect hiking temperature. It's sunny and hot, but there's a little breeze. Oh, so good. I'm so happy to be out here. Time for some well-deserved pasta salad. The most prepared woman I know. Oh my gosh, thank you.
You're welcome.
We were gonna go swimming to a cliff jumping spot.
Yeah, where to go?
But now we've decided that it's nap time instead. So we're all cozied up in our cocoons
And drinking alcohol.
Cheers!
To sleep.
My book is boring. Oh, we can hang out instead.
Yeah, you could just hang out with us.
Been hanging out. That's true.
Are we boring
Literally. Margarita night! Ow, ow!
Margaritaville.
Margaritaville. That's good, Abby. Let's go.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Ooh, that's nice and refreshing.
Tasty. Paloma.
The queen is chefing up yet another meal.
Fajitas.
Oh! We're all in theme here with our drinks and our food.
All right. So welcome to Girlies Go Camping. The concept of Girlies Go Camping is to bring camping to those who are a novice, if you will.
Ooh!
But in the most comfortable, lavish way possible. glamping is a word that is thrown around when used to describe me. I'm just a prepared person. I don't know what to tell you. So we have two rookies this year. We have Megan and Soli. And tonight they're getting fajitas. And it's gonna be fantastic. And we just take care of everything. All they need to bring is a sleeping pad and a sleeping bag. And the rest, you're good to go. So
We're good to go.
Enjoy.
Woo!
It's not that thing anymore.
Yum.
All right.
What's Italian?
Okay, guys. Tell me about your roasting technique.
I rotate always by the coals so it gets a nice golden crust. Slow and low.
Burnt to a char.
Ooh, she's gonna light that bitch on fire. Oh, she did.
And she did.
You said slow and low. Oh yeah. Do you like yours golden
Yeah.
or
If
burnt?
I can
And then
help
I peel the crust off.
Oh, okay.
The crust separately.
That's
yeah.
some gourmet stuff right there. Slept in today, slept 9 hours. Soli's still sleepy. What a good morning. This was truly such a good weekend to relax and recharge. I feel so good and ready to go into this next week. I feel like I've been really busy with work at the airport, which I do have to work tonight, and social media work and traveling for that, which I'm very grateful that I get to do, but it's just been a lot. And I haven't even gotten to spend much time in Aspen this summer, and I think summer in Aspen is my favorite. So it was so nice to have a weekend with my girlfriends here in our home. Oh, I just love it. Now it's unfortunately time to take down camp. Sad day. I think that's the longest it's ever taken me to take down the tent. Maybe it was the 3 margaritas I had last night. Bye-bye, pretty campsite. You were so good to us. Does anyone else get low-key a little bit stressed when you're like going back into service because of how overwhelming it is for all your notifications to come in, and then you have to finally be part of society again? Just me? I can't be alone in that.
Girlies.
Girlies on 3.
Ready, 1, 2, 3,
Girlies!